Just like we've learned earlier in the Illustrator and Photoshop lessons, you can also import sketch files directly into the Ceros Studio. Let's take a look at this demo experience we previously created in Sketch. Similar to our Photoshop design, our file here consists of a few images, vectors, and text boxes on the canvas. To import, drag and drop your design file into your project folder. You can also click the blue New Experience button and then select Import to choose your file. Taking a look at our Layers panel in Ceros, you'll see here that the order of our layers matches exactly how our layers are structured in Sketch. Keep in mind that similar to Illustrator, vector elements in Sketch will import into Ceros as path shapes, giving you the ability to edit them directly in Ceros. Lastly, it's important to note that Ceros will only import one page per Sketch, Photoshop, or Illustrator file. So if your file has multiple pages, you'll need to separate these into their own individual files and import them separately into Ceros. For more information on Ceros import, as well as a list of design functions not currently supported in Ceros and best practices for optimizing your design files prior to import, be sure to check out our Educate article on import that we've linked to below this video.